Park Promenade is the Waterfront's new linear park, stretching from Pioneer Square to the Seattle Aquarium, connecting the Overlook Walk to the north with the rebuilt Railroadway Pedestrian Plaza to the south. The promenade also offers pathways to historic Pike Place Market and Pioneer Square neighborhoods. Along the promenade, there are several art installations celebrating our city's reconnection to the waterfront, our industrial past, and the native peoples that first settled along the Salish Sea. On this episode, we visit number 6, Oscar Tuazon and collaborators, 2 Hour Teachers. 2 Hour Teachers spans 3 blocks along the Seattle waterfront. Featuring 22 pairs of sculpted Douglas Fir post and beam structures, it's a contemporary interpretation of a longhouse. It honors the Indigenous history of the Northwest, specifically the Salish tradition of carved house posts. Los Angeles-based artist Oscar Tuazon dedicated a decade to this piece, which incorporates 2 significant carvings, one by Randi Purser of the Suquamish Tribe. The other is by Muckleshoot tribal members Tyson Simmons and Keith Stevenson. Tyson Simmons and Keith Stevenson's carving honoring our Muckleshoot warriors stands at the southern end near the Seattle Ferry. Facing west towards Elliott Bay and the Olympic Mountains, the carving embodies strength and honor for the people. The northernmost carving is Randi Purser's Looking at All Tomorrows, a depiction of an infant Chief Sealth in the arms of his Duwamish mother. A beautiful complement to the welcome pole on Bainbridge Island of Chief Sealth's Suquamish father. The 2 poles symbolically face each other across Puget Sound, reflecting the deep connections between these lands and their histories. 2 Our Fathers proudly reminds us that Indigenous peoples and cultures are an integral part of Seattle's waterfront. Its blank poles stand ready to provide a canvas to future Coast Salish artists, and it teaches us that by honoring our history, we revitalize our city.